This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Tripura's COVID-19 tally rose to 21,507 yesterday as 535 more people tested positive for the infection. 7 fresh fatalities pushed the state's coronavirus death toll to 235. West Tripura district, under which Agartala falls, has accounted for 130 of the 235 COVID-19 deaths reported in the state till date. Tripura now has 7,107 active coronavirus cases, while 14,142 people have recovered from the disease so far. 2 more deaths related to COVID-19 took the fatality count to 36, while 112 cases surged the number of active cases to 2,038 in Meghalaya yesterday. Also, 46 more patients recovered from the viral infection, taking the number of recoveries to 2,483. With 1,433 active cases, East Khasi Hills, including Shillong, is the most affected district in the state. Meanwhile, several residential, commercial and official buildings in Shillong were declared as containment zones by the East Khasi Hills District Administration following detection of COVID-19 positive cases in those premises. Containment orders were lifted from other places where no fresh cases were detected, and there was overall improvement. 3 COVID-19 infected persons expired in Manipur, increasing the total fatality due to the pandemic to 55 yesterday. Meanwhile, 117 people were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases, while 94 persons had recovered. The number of active cases now is 1,946 and recovery rate is 77.06% in Manipur so far. Nagaland reported 35 new cases of COVID-19 positive, taking the total confirmed cases to 5,392. 40 more recoveries were also reported. At present, the number of recoveries has gone up to 4,150, while total active cases stand at 1,206. At least 14 people, including 6 security personnel, tested positive for novel coronavirus in Mizoram yesterday, taking the state's tally to 1,548. There are 575 active COVID-19 cases in the state, while a total of 973 people have already recovered from the virus. 3 ministers of the Prem Singh Tamang government and 2 BJP MLAs have tested positive for COVID-19 in Sikkim. All legislators and staff of the Legislative Assembly were tested for COVID-19 as a precautionary measure ahead of the proposed one-day assembly session on Monday. Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang has tested negative for COVID-19. The COVID-19 positive ministers and MLAs have been advised home isolation. Meanwhile, a government notification said that a complete lockdown will be in force in Gangtok municipal area from the 21st to the 27th of this month to contain the spread of COVID-19. Arunachal Pradesh's COVID-19 tally crossed the 7,000 mark yesterday as 183 more people, including 28 security personnel, have tested positive for the infection. A senior health official said that the capital complex region reported the highest number of new cases at 93. The recovery rate among the COVID-19 patients in the state stands at 72.89%. Arunachal Pradesh now has 1,886 active coronavirus cases, while 5,106 people have recovered from the disease and 13 patients have died so far of the infection. Amidst COVID-19 pandemic, the Noklak District Administration in Nagaland has reported the outbreak of scrub typhus in the district, an officer told PTI yesterday. The Subdivisional Officer Civil of Noklak, C. Punyang, said that official data collected from Community Health Center has shown 618 positive scrub typhus cases in January this year. At least 5 persons have succumbed to the infection, he said. Scrub typhus is a disease caused by a bacteria. It is spread to people through bites of infected chiggers or larval mites. The most common symptoms of scrub typhus include fever, headache, body aches, and sometimes rash. The SDO requested the public to report any of the symptoms of the disease to health authorities. And Sikkim government has allowed hotels, homestays and other tourism-related services to restart operations from the 10th of October. The state has also decided to open its border with West Bengal for unrestricted movement of vehicles from the 1st of October. A standard operating procedure for the hotels and the tourism sector is expected soon. Bookings for hotels and homestays will start from the 27th of this month, officials said. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.